Hey, I'm Tara and I led the redesign of the TFI Live interface. We updated the home screen, live tracking, route view, and alerts to make key information easier to reach. Arrival times are clearer, the layout is simpler, and the information actions are easier to spot. We improved colors, spacing, typography, and icons for a cleaner, more consistent look. Overall, the redesign makes travel information faster and easier to understand. Thank you.
My name's Rebecca. I'm the design development lead, and I will be talking about how the design evolved. So to begin with, on the homepage, we added a navigation bar for easier navigation for users. We also added some additional buttons just to help the users find what they're looking for in less times. In the map features, we changed the green dots to also have a bus symbol, as this represents bus stops and it improves clarity for users. We also added a location which shows where the user currently is, so it can help them find the bus stop easier. Finally, we improved the quality of the stop identifier, and we changed it from saying bus information to what bus route, just to help prevent confusion in users, and added a little bus symbol to represent exactly where the bus is at any given moment.
Hi, I'm Nicola, and my part explains the design rationale and how we apply the visibility principle across our final interface. Visibility is about making key information immediately noticeable, and in submission 1, important actions like live times, journey planning, and service alerts weren't clear enough, so the redesign brings those elements forward. For example, on the homepage, live information, favorites, and service alerts now stand out instead of being hidden. On stop pages, arrival times and route indicators are larger and placed at the top. We also added text labels under every icon, and in both the list and map views, we made nearby stops easier to scan at a glance. So overall, compared to our initial version, the final design presents information more clearly and supports quicker decision making when checking buses.
Hi, I'm Glory. This walkthrough shows how the redesign improves visibility, clarity, and navigation. So as the app opens, you see the simplified home screen, and important actions are immediately visible instead of having to search through menus. Here I'm clicking a favorite stop. We use the card-based layout, making it easy to read, and we group related information into each card. Clicking more information takes the user to a detailed visual layout of the entire bus route with clear markers. It highlights where the bus currently is, the stop the user has clicked on, and real-time arrival and service alerts. The map function is a visual aid that uses high visibility icons. Users can see the nearby bus stops and their own location immediately. The list view shows a list of nearby stops. Pressing a stop takes a user to the route page parser for that stop. Overall, the interface helps make core tasks faster.
Hello, my name is Arameko, and I'm here to summarize the redesign why it works. Our redesign improved how you interact with the TFI Live app, making it easier to see, understand, and access information as quickly as possible. The new interface is clearer, it's more user friendly, and less distractions. And from users' perspective, the click distance has reduced. It's faster access to for information, like I mentioned, and the visual hierarchy is better. And overall, the contrast and spacing is much more improved, which is easier on the eyes. And this aligns directly with the goal of this report. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anastasia, and as the documentation and quality lead, I helped bring all the pieces of this project together and made sure the final submission was clear, consistent, and easy to follow. Looking back, our group worked really well together, and each person focused on their own area, which made the redesign process much more organized. One of the challenges we did face was fitting everything into the 2-page limit while still explaining our design and evaluation properly. But it pushed us to focus on what really mattered. Overall, this project helped us understand how applying a single principle, in our case, visibility, can genuinely improve how users interact with an app. We're really happy with how the final prototype turned out. Thank you for watching.